We're gonna make some peaches and cream. We've got a 8-ounce thing of crescent dough. Oh good, it did pop.
Oh yeah, nice pop.
I'm just going to unroll this here.
Okay.
Place it in the bottom of your dish. Okay, once you've got that in your pan, you're gonna take an 8-ounce softened cream cheese. You're gonna add in 1/4 cup of regular sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. And if you've never used almond extract, it is strong.
So you really want to do that
forward. Make sure you've got the 1/4.
Got it.
And it's clear, so you gotta be real careful.
Oh wow.
That's 1/4. Ooh, can you smell that, Sean?
I can.
I mean, it is.
Yeah,
almost,
that is some powerful
yeah.
stuff.
So now we're gonna just cream this together.
All right. It looks good.
Okay, once you've got that cream together, you're gonna take it and place it on your crescent dough.
All right. Nice creamy.
Okay, spread it out. Okay, then you're going to take a can of peach pie filling and you're gonna put that on top now.
I love peach filling.
And it'll be good when the peaches get here, fresh peaches, to make this. I think they had the cold snap, got them a little bit delayed this year. Georgia peaches.
Oh yeah.
Okay, once you've got that done, you're gonna get you a bowl, put 1/2 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Take a fork and blend these two together. We're making like a little crumble for the top.
Oh yeah. So you start with the dry mixture there?
Yes, get the dry mixture combined first. Then you're gonna add 3 tablespoons of softened butter.
All right, that's looking pretty good.
Okay, now to add the last thing to this mixture, you've got 1/2 cup of slivered almonds. Put those in there.
I love almonds.
Okay, all of our butter off our fork. And we're just gonna take a spoon and drip, put it over the peaches.
Oh yeah, that's going on there nice.
Our peaches and cream.
We love peaches in South Carolina too. Actually, that's our state fruit.
Oh yeah, you can't go wrong with peaches.
A lot of people don't know South Carolina makes more peaches than Georgia.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I work for a produce stand and we always got our peaches from the Amish and a lot of times they come from Georgia.
Oh yeah.
Them. Okay.
They're famous for it.
And now all you gotta do is bake it at 350 for 30 minutes.
350, 30 minutes. Sounds simple.
Have anybody behind me? Okay.
Ooh. That looks
Oh,
good.
that does look good.
Crumbly.
Oh, look at the nice edges.
Mm-hmm.
That crescent dough is
Yeah, it didn't burn or
brown.
anything. All right. So I guess we can just let it cool and
we taste test it.
come back. Yep. All right, just get a little piece of this. Look at that. Looks so good, don't it, Charles? Yeah. And then we got a brand new Bluebell ice cream. Hope I don't drop it. Oh my gosh, it's thick. Just need a little piece. There we go. That is good, boy.